Hey, Uncle Scar, guess what?
I despise guessing games.
I'm gonna be king of Pride Rock.
Oh,
goody.
goody.
Oh, goody.
My dad just showed me the whole kingdom, and I'm gonna rule it all.
Yes. Well, forgive me for not leaping for joy. Bad back, you know.
Hey, Uncle Scar, when I'm king, what'll that make you?
A monkey's uncle. A monkey's uncle. A monkey's uncle. A monkey's uncle.
You're so weird.
You have no idea. So, your dear father showed you the whole kingdom, did he?
Everything.
He didn't happen to show you what's beyond that rise at the northern border, did he?
Well, no. He said I can't go there.
And you know what, Simba? He is absolutely right. It is far too dangerous. Only the bravest of lions go there.
Well, I'm brave. What's up?
I'm so sorry, Simba. I just can't tell you.
Why not?
Simba, Simba, Simba. I'm only looking out for the well-being of my favourite nephew.
Yeah, right. I'm your only nephew.
All the more reason for me to be protective. And besides, an elephant graveyard is no place for a young prince. Oops!
An elephant what? What?
Oh, dear, I've said too much. Well, I suppose you may find out sooner or later. You being so clever and all. Oh, and please just do me one favour. Promise me you'll never visit that dreadful place.
No problem.
There's a good lad. You run along now and have fun. And remember, it's our little secret